Can you hear the noise? Some construction is going on nearby plot. I'm waiting since 1 hour to record the video. Let's see when it is going to stop. Somehow it stopped. Let's do it quickly. Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am Suma Babu. Happy to know that some of you started practicing art. Find time for the practice on a daily basis and keep practicing. Today I came with yet another interesting topic, the still life. Still life is an artistic representation of inanimate objects, which includes both natural and man-made objects. Today in this video, we'll be doing one still life setup and we'll do some painting together. Before that, while setting up still life, we have to take care of few things. So let's see that first. Choose the objects which are visually pleasing. Consider their color, shape and texture while selection. Patterns can make the painting lively. I have few objects with me. Normally I collect different shaped colorful objects for my still life setup. You can take any household kitchen items for that, like cutleries, jars, pans, glass, spoon, cup, bottles, knife, etc. Or you select some stationeries like books, pens, brushes and pencils. Home decors also you can use. Arrange them in a pleasing and harmonious way. Take your time to set them up. Walk around your composition to see different point of view. Different angle of the object changes the composition dramatically. You can take things out and add in for the best arrangement of still life. Lighting in a still life setup is critical and can enhance or ruin a composition. A single source of light, preferably coming from side, create a clear pattern of lights and darks of the object. The light source could be natural or artificial. You can set up your still life near your study table. It is better to use artificial light, which is more controllable and will stay same for long hours. The next important thing in still life setting is the background. Depending upon your object selection, keep your background contrast. It could be neutral background which make the objects pop out. For light objects, select a contrasting darker background. Now you are ready with your still life setup. By this time, you may be clear about the point that we have to see this object and make our art. But the beginners may find it difficult to do this practice in their initial attempts. So they can click a photograph of this setup and refer that for their practice. You can consider still life practice as a great way to practice three-dimensional forms. Observation is one of the most important skill you acquire in still life drawings. If you haven't painted a still life before, I recommend starting with a simple one with one or two objects. Let's do some practice. For today's practice session, we will arrange a simple still life setting. I am using here a maroon satin cloth for background. I am planning to set up a 3-object still life. The things I chose for that is a wine glass, a bottle and an egg. The medium I am using here is oil pastels. Make sure you are sitting in a comfortable position facing the still life setup. We have to sketch the composition in your sketchbook. Take sufficient time for that. Mark your position where you are sitting. you have to maintain the same position till the end of your work. Even if you are moving in between, come back and stay in the same place. After sketching, start coloring drapery. Always try to do background first. Choose appropriate colors. For the maroon drapery, I'll be using crimson red, brown, bit of blue and also black. We have to blend these colors together as per the requirement. Observe how I am doing. You may have to do layering till you get the proper shade of the drapery. Then you do the objects. Even if the wine glass is transparent, it may reflect the background color on it. So color what you are seeing. For the highlight, we have to use white oil pastel. And for the bottle, I am using light blue, light green and white for highlight. And for the jute string in the bottle, yellow ochre, dark brown and white. For the egg, white and grey. Apply highlight and shadow wherever needed. Hope you all liked the video. Do more practice with symbol objects. Metallic objects and the transparent objects are a bit difficult for the beginners. So choose opaque and some symbol objects in the beginning. You can include fruits, vegetables also in the still life setup. Thanks for watching and keep painting.